Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Today is a hot day and I'm gonna show you guys how to apply fantastic infill of gel nails. And as you can see, I'm using my favorite products, favorite drill bits. The first one is barrel drill bit, and this drill bit will help me easily remove the old gel from the nail plate. In this video guys, I will show you amazing nail design with thin lines easily and quickly, and I'm gonna tell you all the secret how to apply this nail design. So everything we should apply very neatly, and as you can see now, I'm using flame drill bit. Every time when I do nails, we should remove the old skin perfectly, because it protects the nail plate from liftings. And as you can see, after removing the gel, we should shape nails in the cuticles area. This is necessary also for protecting the nail plate from liftings. As you can see, my brother is showing you how to do it perfectly. It's not necessary to remove all the product from the nail plate. We should remove only the old lifted product in the cuticles area. Make sure that we have no liftings, the areas where we have air under the gel. I'm showing you guys now the sculpting mix gel. This gel is amazing, and in spite of the hot temperature, we can work with it easily. If it's hot, you can apply the gel with thin layer, and as you can see, it's more liquid than usual. I'm using my favorite brush for gel. It helps me to easily cover the nail plate with this gel, because the hair of this brush is not too large, and it helps to take medium size of drop of gel on the brush. After curing the gel in LED lamp in 30 seconds or UV lamp in 1-2 minutes, we have already removed the tacky layer. And now my brother, as you can see, working his way with his favorite file. This file is fantastic because this file has long life, and you can use it especially for each client, but particular client, and you can present this file in packet, present to your clients, and they will be sure that this file is only belongs to particular client. I mean, you should never use files for different clients, but some nail technicians in Russia don't think about it, and they don't care about sterilization or clean tools. As you can see now, I'm using the ball drill bit. This drill bit is fantastic because after all manipulations we can easily remove the skin, but you shouldn't make too much pressure and try to remove all the skin, because you can hurt the client's cuticles. And of course, it's better to use the ball drill bit on the final parts of work, because the skin is already dry and we have no hurting the skin. Now guys, I'm showing you the Giorgio Cappuccini gel paint and Black Bagheera gel paint, and I have already applied nails with two colors. You can use Cherry Dance instead of Black Bagheera. The effect will be amazing, and I will be using black acrylic paint of the brand Moscalito. This gel paint is available in set in my shop. I have already mixed acrylic paint of the brand Moscalito with a little bit of water, the drop of water on my palette, and as you can see I'm using now thin brush number 00. This brush has thin hair and it helps me quickly and easily draw thin lines like that. So you can see you can create easily amazing Venetian ornament in minutes. You can just open the sketch on your gadget and just draw free lines, free petals or ornament details like that. It's very easy and it's very relaxable for me. It's a great pleasure to draw such amazing ornament. Some people from Russia, some nail technicians ask me, why do you apply these things? I'm lazy to draw this. So we have stickers, we can stick the sticker instead of spending time for drawing. But I think that they don't understand that we have chosen this profession not only for placing stickers or some things like that. We have chosen this profession to create amazing things, and I hope that you agree with me. If you're a real fan of nail art, you can agree that it's a great pleasure to create something like that using brushes, using acrylic paint. So let me know down in the comments what do you think about what do you choose, stickers or draw ornaments or elegant things like that. I hope there will be people who understand me, and maybe you can share with me your original nail designs like that. What do you think about this nail design? I hope you like it. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. All products you can find in my internet shop, shapeofnail.com. See you next Saturday. Look at these nails. They look like perfect natural nails. But who would have thought that your nails didn't look like this 2 hours ago? They completely changed. Sure, you can criticize gel nails, but you have to admit that advanced technologies have performed wonders with your nails. This is advanced training DVD video for the beginners. Well, honestly, last 10 years all I do is advancing of this technology, and this training DVD is something like a sense of my work. I don't promise you that you will learn gel nails extension technology only watching this video. It depends on the long time training. But I guarantee you, it's the latest technology nowadays, and I am one of the authors of this technology. My name is Alexander Stepanov. In this video, I will be showing you all the process in all details with tips and all the secrets. I will give you all fundamentals, for example, of how we keep in files in our hands. And also I will show you correct hands, motions and positions that help you to do your work correctly and easily. You can order this DVD in my Instagram shop, the link is under the video. Look at these beautiful nails. And that was before. The set includes all training kit. We also ship this to any country. I wish you success in your work, guys.